Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be drop testing the Casio Ravine. This one we bought off eBay. We got the slow motion. I brought my beater car here. This is my parts car that I'm using for my car, so I just brought it out here. Let's go and wait for this to turn on, and then we'll drop test it. Might be dead. Oh, there it goes. I was like, hopefully I charged it. Alrighty, so let's go and do the backdrop. Remember, on flip phones we start at head height, and then we just go on from there because, you know, they'll probably be fine. So, in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, picking it up. Took a lot of scratches, I should say, around this border, which not really surprising. It's still on. Also put last day because, yeah, this phone's probably not going to make it after today. Let's go and do a slow motion, and we'll do the corner drop in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, it's still on. It did fling open from that hit right there. It looks like it looks pretty good. The hinge on this one's really loose, so I'm not too sure if it's gonna make the throw test very good. We're gonna drop it on the corner open in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, it's really cold out here too, guys. I think it's like 40 degrees or something. Looks like from that drop, once again, just took some marks on the edges and stuff like that. Actually, it's doing really good. Let's go and do the face down drop in 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, so after watching that again, it more landed on the side, as you can see. So we're going to redo that face down drop in 3, 2, 1. That was perfect. Looks like the front LCD is still good. The inner LCD is still good. So that went pretty good. Let's go and do the open face down now. In 3, 2, 1. Alrighty. I hit right there on the top corner. Did pretty good. I wonder if this is going to make it past the throw test, guys. So let's go to angle this up a little bit more. Let me swap hands. Alrighty, in 3, 2, 1. So I'm not sure if the battery came out or if the screen came off. It looks like the battery came out. We might have a survivor, guys. I got another little fun one after this. We're going to throw it out the window, I think. Okay. Let's see, wipe it down. Definitely hit on the bottom. The front LCD is still good. Or the inside and the outside. So there you go, guys. We have a survivor. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And stay tuned for the next one.